Hello, Mr. O here, back with another puzzle. This puzzle is called Tapa, and I'm going to show you the rules, try to do a couple puzzles here, and see how it goes. Hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Let's go to the website here, puzzle-tapa.com. All right, rules is going to be a little confusing, but here's the basic idea. Any number, and this is a double number and there's even triple numbers, any number is referring to a or like a border around that number. So this 7 has the potential of having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers around, 8 boxes filled in dark around it. Okay, this 2 has a potential of only 2. Number cells with a number in them are always white, and you're just trying to figure out where do the black cells go, right? All of the black cells have to be connected, and there cannot be pools, just like the Nurikabe we did a while back. There cannot be pools of 2 by 2 in the black or bigger. That is not allowed. So like a 3, and it's on the border, you can picture there'd be 8 cells around it, but we're only 3 are shown, so that's our 3, and those 3 have to be connected. When you have a 1 and a 2, or a 2 and a 4, those are not connected. So there has to be at least one white square in between the 2 different sections. Okay, a little bit confusing at first, but watch as I do this and we'll see. This is a 3, and we have only 3 shown, so that's a freebie. That has to be like this. Now this 3, 2 of them are already there. So when you look at it, the third one's either going to be here or here. But we know for sure this one and this one have to be open. Because my third, this is one set of black cells. 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. And so this one and this one, and you're picturing all around the black cell, these have to be open. Now here I have a 2 and a 1. Notice this. If my 2 is this, 1, 2, and by the way, these do not have to go in this order necessarily. It doesn't mean the 1 is to the upper left and the 2 is to the lower right. This 2 are these 2 right here, and then we have to have a break, right? 2 and a break, and where's the last one going to go? Around this square, we have 8 squares around. So if I have a 2 and this is the blank, then this is the 1 there. So there you have it. This 3 is now done, and we can put a dot there. So I'm just doing a right click for the dot and a left click for the normal click for the black. Now these have to connect, so I'm going to have to go around. These black sections will have to connect to each other. This is 7, and there's only 8 all the way around. So what do we know? 7s are nice, especially if you get a number like this right next to it. All right, we have a 4 and a 2, so 1, 2, 1, 2. So a couple of these are going to be filled in, and one of them will be a dot. And here's how you know that how it's going to look. At least you know one of them anyway. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a dot, or 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a dot. But this one for sure is shaded, and that's the 1, right? Because this 1 is all the squares around, so we put a dot there. And that means that this is our 2, from this 2 and 4, this is our 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. This 2 has 2 here, so we put a dot here. And are these all connected? Nope. So we connect them by this. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have attacked and completed our first puzzle, first online Tapa puzzle. All right, let's try another one. That took 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Let's see if I can give you some strategies. Still loading. The internet is a little bit slow here. Okay, so if you look, some of my students were like, how do you get to more difficult puzzles? If you scroll to the left, you'll see a bunch of puzzles here. Here's a 10 by 10 Tapa. I'm just starting out, so let's see how this goes. Hopefully give you some good tips and tricks. Ooh, a little bit smaller, nothing wrong with that. Maybe I should get out of the way a little bit here. Make the puzzle a little bit bigger. Zoom. All right, scroll. Okay, here we go. Whoa, this is a little intimidating at first, but look, 7 of these will be 7 out of these 8. 5, that's a freebie, right? Because there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 around there, so that's good to know. Good to know. This has 3 around here, 6 around here. I think the sides and the corners are going to be your bread and butter here. This, a 1 and a 1. Now you'll notice 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. This one has to be white, right? And there's only 8 total. So if this one has to be white, there's only 7 left. So a 2 and a 4, you're going to have one other open. Ooh, a 5 and a 1. That's a good one. 1 and 5. All right. So I'm looking at what are the different options. So, all right, here we go. This is a good one. 4 and 1. So the ones that are touching this, the remaining ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, I couldn't even get 4 over here. So this 4 and the 1 has to be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the 4 part. And then the 1's going to be one of these two. Guess we'll have to wait and see. The 4 and the 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's going to have 1 that's touching that one as well. So there's a 1 and the 3. 1, 2, 3 is the 3. And that's the 1. So these are all dots. 1, 2, 3. That covers the 3 part. And then the 1 there. Remember, you're looking at the 8 squares around the clue square. And notice the dot here. How nice is that? Because now we get our remaining 7. All right. So this is going to continue. And remember, you can't have a 2x2 pool. It's either going to have to be a dot here or a dot here, because 2x2 pool is not allowed. All right. This one's going to have 3 different boxes, a 1, a 2, and a 2. And since that 2, 5, we're missing there, 2 dots. This is going to be, we're going to be all right. 6, 7 boxes shown. So, well, we don't know about this one, but we know this one, and this one. The 6th one is either going to be this or this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we know. The reason I know that is if I went up to here, the most I can go is to here. So that was forcing some of these boxes to go this way. So here is going to be open. 2, 2, and a 1. So that's a good question. We'll come back to that. This is a 3, already a 3. And since it has to be separated, 1, 2, 3, this is dot, this is dot, this is going to have to be our 1. How nice is that? All right. Okay, this is a 1 and a 1. So this box cannot be touching any other box. Around this 1 and the 1, if you look around these 8 squares around it, this box cannot be touching another box. So that helps us with our 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our 1 for our 2. Our 1 is here. That means this one's going to have to be a 2, and these 2 are a 2 already. So there you go. There you have it. 3 and 1. Uh-oh. There's a mix-up. Because this is 2. 3 and 2. That's no good. So let's see if we can figure this out real quick. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Seems like this would have to be 2. 5 is correct. 1, 2, 3. Go. So oh, yeah, these ones just go somewhere else. Sorry about that. So go back to there. These ones, this one didn't have to go here. Go here and here. And this one could be a 1. This could be a 2, a 1, and a 2. No, because that doesn't work. Does this match now? So this 1 and 3, 3 and 1, got it. 2, 2, 2, 2, and 1, got it. And we still got 6 around here. I think we're doing all right. We're going to have to put this one here, though. 1 and 1, we got 1 here, 1 here. All right, I think we're back on track. This 1 is this box, so the 2 would have to be 1, 2. No, that's not good. Because we don't want... Oh, you know what? This one still is a dot. I keep moving this all over the place. All right, 1 and 1 is done. This 2 is going to have to go here and here. There you go. 1 and 2. There we go. Now we're cooking with butter. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to have at least 1 blank, and then a 1. 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2, 1, 2. Okay, and it's connected, so that's nice. These ones can't be pools, so I put dots there. These are going just fine, thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need a 1 on this guy. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Our 1 would go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. We're good there. 2 and 4. Okay. 2. We already got 2 here, so it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, or it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then these 2 here. We'll have to look at that one. Come back to that. All right. How about this one? 2 and 4. We have another situation like that. This 4, we're going to have to use. One of these is going to have to be blank, right? Because if we did this and this, we have it's too big. The pool is too big, and the 4 they all have to be connected. So which one's blank? This one's up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're good to go. All right, 5 and 1. So we're gonna look at how do we get 5 around here and not have a pool. We don't want a pool. Notice the 4 and the 2. So we'll put a dot there. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our 4 there, and 1, 2. That's the 2. So we're good there. Notice this 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need a blank. Well, we're gonna have to have a 1. Not here or here. Put it there. All right. This is not a connection, ladies and gentlemen, and neither is this. So these are gonna have to connect around this way. All right, 6. This should be pretty straightforward because we have a dot here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these have to connect, so I'll keep going. We already talked about this 2, 2, and 1, so this has to be open. So here. This cannot be a black square because it would be a pool. All right. Oh, this could go back. This didn't need to be like this. So we can connect in here if we need to. If this doesn't end up connecting over this way. All right, 3 of these will be shaded around. Notice one of these will have to be a dot. So we could say for certain these 2. 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. These 2 cannot both be black because it will be a pool. Not allowed. All right, we're getting close. We just have to connect these. 1, 2. All right, so this can't be our 2. It's going to have to be our 4. Yep, can't be our 2, because if we put 1 here, that's our 4, and this is our 2 up here, so we'll put a dot there. So we're good there. 1, 2, 3, that's done. We have a 1 that's all by itself, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice this is not connected. So how do we do that? Boom, 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 and now everything is connected. 8 minutes, 40 seconds, or so they say. See if you can beat that record. This is a 10 by 10, 8:45. I know you can do it. Have fun with these. You know, try a couple hard ones. If you find it not challenging enough, try some harder ones. Good luck to you.